It's the middle of the night. Andy said he didn't snore. That sound that you hear, that's Andy snoring. I think